Wishtrip Game Wizard. Adding general details. You are now at the General Details screen. Here, you can add the name and a short description of your game in each language. These will appear in the game selector on the app. There isn't a lot of space here, so try to avoid cryptic titles. Instead, keep it simple and compelling, and include key pieces of information such as the game's target audience and its theme. You will also need to upload a picture, which will automatically appear in each language. Since the featured picture will appear on screen as a small icon alongside the description, it's best to choose a simple image without too much detail. Next, it's time for the game intro. This is what visitors will see first when they open your game. You will also add one or more pictures here. By default, any pictures you add will be added to all languages. But if you want different pictures, you can simply change them in the relevant language tab. A red dot indicates that you still need to complete this field before continuing. Press Next to save. You are now ready to create the challenges. Check out our next video to learn how.